You see? It's a new product that mommy got.
Let's see. Let's see.
It has sellotape on it, so you can't open it yet. I am super excited for today's video. As you can see by the title, it's a first impressions of the Curl Chemistry Cocomint Mask, and I'm super excited because I've never tried something like this, like a product that is a mask but also with a great focus on your scalp. And scalp care is very in now. I think a lot of people are speaking about it and it's kind of trending. So I think it's awesome that Curl Chemistry came out with something that we can, try. So I ordered this like on the 25th when it came out, and I actually got it in one day, and I wasn't expecting it so quickly. Like on Friday, yesterday, I washed my hair in the morning, and then in the afternoon the delivery came. So I've already washed my hair and I don't want to waste the product, so I thought I'd just do like a first impressions. I'm gonna open it, I'm gonna talk about the packaging, and I'm going to actually show you what the product looks like, smells like, and feels like, so that you can get a good idea if you want to go and purchase this, because I know it's a new product. It's quite exciting, so if you want to purchase it, you can make an informed decision. Okay, so as you can see, like, it really is, I kept myself in because I did not open this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a 250 ml, and it says Kinky Curly Wavy Curl Chemistry Cocomint Mask, and it says it is a mask that helps soothe and restore irritated scalp, invigorating and moisturizing with coconut and peppermint. So just the whole packaging and presentation, I love it. It's something new for Curl Chemistry. Is the dot print, and I think it's very fun. The directions say to apply to clean wet hair and comb through and leave it for a few minutes. So it is actually a mask for your hair. When I saw it initially, I thought it was just for your scalp, but it is for your hair. And what it does is then it also pays special attention to your scalp. So it's a scalp and hair mask, and it says kid friendly, so that's awesome for me because I can use it for my daughter as well. So now let's just get into, let's open it up. I'm so excited. Oh. It obviously has like a secondary lid to keep the moisture in, the air out. Ooh, wow. Immediately that peppermint just hits you, and there is a hint of coconut like behind, so the scents blend well amazingly. I cannot wait to use this on my hair. Like, I think I might just rinse a strand. I'm gonna rinse the strand and then just apply some on the strand. But this is what it looks like. I just want to smell it all the time. Okay, and then this is what the consistency is like. It's very soft and fluffy and light, but it is very creamy as well. So it's a cream, but it's not heavy. So if I just do that, you can see it's sticking to my fingers, but it's very creamy. And it smells amazing. I'm gonna rub some of this just on my scalp quickly. So if I just like rub some here just to feel what the peppermint does. So I do struggle with buildup. I've been struggling with buildup lately on my scalp, and I actually clarified my hair yesterday. So this is a good product for me to use. Wow, it's super refreshing. My scalp feels really cool and invigorating, like it says. So I would definitely recommend you guys go and buy this because it's just amazing. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rinse one of my strands and just apply it on my hair. Okay, so this is not like a really good best practice, but because my hair is not really washed, but I just rinsed the product off of this strand, and I'm gonna take about this much. This might be a bit too much, but I'm gonna apply it to the strand because I want to show you how this product gets soaked up, which I was expecting because of the consistency. Like, it literally coats my hair and my hair just sucks it up. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna see how that does. They say leave it on for a few minutes. I love the smell of this. I'm really in love with it because it does have the coconut, like, but it's not overwhelming coconut, and the peppermint is so fresh that it's just amazing. It makes me want to go get a peppermint crisp chocolate. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this in for a few minutes and then I'm gonna show you the result. Okay, so this is with the product rinsed out, and I just want to show you how my hair is clumping together. My hair is very soft. Obviously we have to see what it looks like when it dries. To see more from Curl Chemistry, I've got a video on how to use the pomegranate range, so I've linked it for you. So click on that video now and I'll see you in that video. Bye.